Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo, and welcome to Live Trading with Guillermo. I didn't do market open today. I'm just kind of, I'm a little late on purpose. It's been pretty volatile. So it's about 7:40 Pacific time. But as you can see on the computer, I run on a server, which is based in Central Time. So just at a glance, this is what I do in the mornings. As you can see here, I put the just a rectangle box, and everything appears to be kind of in a channel right now. I typically don't jump in during this time. I mean, you could. The software is more than capable of doing it, but I don't typically do that. I've had some questions that have come through my channel, and while I wait for a trade, just want to address some of that. So first of all, I wanted to let you guys know I'm a beginner. All right, I'm definitely not an expert in any sense here. This is just how I trade, and the software I use, I don't use it to its full capability. I mean, this thing is pretty powerful. So what I do, as you saw, I turned on the FA, which is full auto mode, but I don't use it as full auto, and you'll see when I enter, when I find my first trade. I use it more like a sniper, which is totally different than how it was designed to be used. All right, full auto means full auto, like you leave it and you just let it go. If you have the right account size, the right instrument, the right number of contracts, absolutely. Oh, let me click this off here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so you can definitely do that on full auto. There's other modes, discretionary auto, and I haven't done a video on that yet, but I will. And then there's manual, which kind of what I'm doing is like full auto with a manual kind of aspect to it. It's kind of different. Anyway, that's not really how the software was designed, but I have success. So the great thing about the AutoRipper Pro is that it gives you that flexibility to use it however you want to trade. If you want to do full auto, if you want to do manual, or some sort of combination, you have that flexibility, which I really like. I use it for my style, and it's working for me. As a reminder, everybody, this is for entertainment only. I use performance evaluations that accounts that have specific rules on my daily losses, and I keep a minimum of 500 goal daily, up to 1,000, and that's it. If depending on my accounts are 50,000. If you have something bigger like $250,000 or $300,000 account, then you can definitely do more contracts, go for bigger profit targets and things like that. But I like to be very conservative on the type of accounts that I use. So just keep that in mind. So if you're using real money, make sure you know what you're doing. Be comfortable with the software. Make sure you got the right settings, right number of contracts, and so on. And just be smart about it, right? You just got to be, just make prudent decisions. Make sure everything's ready to go when you fire it up. As I mentioned in the previous video, nothing wrong with simulation. Get used to practicing before you jump in and do that. But for now, everything seems to be kind of slow at the moment. So I'm going to keep talking because, as you can see, it's kind of stuck in this channel. The software is more than capable of jumping in. So if I had jumped in earlier, where you see the purple, which means it's going down, all those I could have entered. Pretty much any of those, and those would have been nice trades. But of course, hindsight is 20/20. You don't know, and I jumped in it when I did. So all that is past. But the great thing about the market is that there's always opportunity. So we're making a move to the bottom, and I don't know if you can. There's a couple conditions here going on. I think we're going to jump in here pretty soon. But you see the white trend line and then the purple trend line. We're below that now. That's kind of like a little bit of my secret sauce here. So once I get down below those two, I usually like to jump in. But yeah, I'm gonna wait it out. It's still kind of stuck in this little channel. Oh, see, now it's going up. So anyway, you just kind of gotta gotta see where it's gonna go. So it's breaking it broke the channel, so it's on. I put it on because I think it's gonna make a move up. So we'll see. See if we get in a trade going up. It did break the channel, but now it's coming right back down. So I don't know. It's kind of, like I said, it's hard to know what's going to happen. Okay, we're in a trade, and we might make. Oh, it reversed. But see, look at that. It stopped in reverse. So see if we can get us into some positive territory, and we did. And we're stopped out. Okay, so pretty cool. We just made our first trade, $340. We did lose some of it at the beginning because the trend reversed. But as you can see, we're in positive territory. So I'm gonna look for one more trade just to hit my minimum, and then I'll be out for the morning. So let's see if we can jump in on another trade. We might be able to get in here on the way down, but we'll see. There we go. Let's see if we can get down to hit that profit target and get our runner going. No, come back down. There we go. Ah, much better. Here we go. There we go. We just did it. Okay. So we got 595 and we got stopped out, and that's it. I'm going to hit flat, turn it off, and I'm done. So it says 595, but once the bar makes a move here, the amount's going to adjust. We'll see what we end up for the morning here. So I'll give it just a couple seconds and get the actual balance. But like I said, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you, and I'm going to catch you on the next video. It looks like 540. That's what we got for today. So good day overall. Take care. Bye.